Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. In this video, we're going to review my stock investing portfolio that I have with Interactive Brokers in Canada and go through each and every investment stocks that I have in this portfolio, what has been their return so far, and where I see this kind of portfolio going and getting to over the next couple of months, what's going to be my investment strategy, especially right now that we are in the month of December. For the most part, the month of December is when you can expect a little bit of rally in the stock market. So what's my expectation for this portfolio and where I'm heading with it? I hope you find this video beneficial. Let's get into it. Right, as you can see here in this portfolio right now, we have a total of $2,361 invested as a whole, and it is showing a total unrealized return of 7.13%. or roughly about $168 in return. I've sorted the holdings in this portfolio from the largest and best return to the worst return. So let's take a look at that and discuss how you're doing. The best performer in this portfolio is Tesla, which is in auto manufacturing industry, and it is showing 51% return, which is just incredible. We have 0.59 share of Tesla, and the total unrealized gain for this holding is $115 USD. Our average purchase price for Tesla is sitting at $382.05, but Tesla was last traded at $575.48, which is just remarkable for us. Next on this list, we have Walt Disney, which is in the media industry, and it is showing a return of 17%. Our average price for the 0.95 shares that we have at Disney is sitting at $127.72, and right now last trading price for Disney was sitting at $149.40. In other words, we have an unrealized gain of $20.60 USD for Walt Disney stock. Next on our list, we have Apple, and we have quite a number of shares here. We have 2.87 shares of Apple. Our average purchase price for Apple shares were at $116.14. Apple was last traded today at $122.36. It was up 2.78% today, and we are seeing a total return of 5.4%. or $17.80 USD for Apple stock, which is traded in computers industry. Next on our list, we have Costco, which is in retail industry. Costco is definitely one of the most renowned retail stores in the world, and we have 0.34 shares of Costco. Our average purchase price for these shares are at $373.59. Whereas the last trading price for Costco was $386.90. It is showing us a total unrealized gain of 3.6% as a whole, or $4.5 US. Next, we have Amazon, and here we have 0.08 shares of Amazon. As you know, Amazon shares are quite pricey in terms of dollar value. It was last traded at $3,215.50. We have our shares 0.08 shares of Amazon with an average purchase price of $3,129.26. Overall, we are showing a 2.8% positive return for Amazon, and that is equivalent to $6.94 USD return for Amazon. Next, we have another company in the internet industry, and that is Netflix. Here we have 0.60 shares of Netflix, which was last traded at $503.20. Our average purchase price for Netflix shares was at $489.97. This shows a 2.7% return for Netflix and almost $7.90 USD positive return for Netflix shares. Next, we have 0.56 shares of Adobe, which is in software industry, showing a return of 1.1%. Adobe was last traded at $475.70, and our average purchase price is $470.50. This is equivalent to $2.90. Next on our list, we have REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust stock, with ticker symbol O, known as Realty Income Corporation. Here we have 1.60 shares of O, and it is showing a 0.78% return, less than 1% return, or 75 cents USD. O Realty Income stock was last traded at $60.50, and our average purchase price is sitting at $60.03. Moving on, we have a number of other shares, including Okta. It's one of our most recent purchase. I believe I bought this shares yesterday. So we bought 0.15 shares of Okta. This company is specialized in privacy and identity protection. And we have these shares sitting at average price of $239.59, but Okta was last traded at $237.20. Hence, we are seeing a negative 1% return, or negative 35 cents. We also have 0.65 shares of Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia is a semiconductor company, is a remarkable business. That's why we are trying to add to our positions with Nvidia, despite the fact that it's actually showing a decline right now. So our average purchase price is at $545.14, but Nvidia was last traded at $535.30. So that shows us a negative 1.8% return, or $6.37 negative return. Lastly, our shares in the portfolio is Twilio, which is showing the worst return at this time. It is showing a negative 2.5% return, because our average purchase price for Twilio shares is sitting at $320.42, whereas we bought our shares of 0.17 shares, and it was last traded at $312.50. Hence, there's that difference of negative 2.5%, or $1.37 negative return for Twilio. Again, Twilio was one of those shares that we added to our portfolio yesterday. Twilio is in the software industry, and it provides cloud communications to various clients, including different products that they offer to their clients. You can see that we still have about $34 US left in this account. For my Interactive Brokers Canada account, I'm just focusing on the US stocks. The money that I transferred to this account, I converted to the USD, and I'm kind of focusing on these companies. I tried to limit the number of holdings in this portfolio. Initially, we started with a much smaller grouping. Previously, we had only about 9 stocks here, but most recently, as I mentioned, I added Okta and Twilio to this portfolio based on my research of undervalued stocks in the information technology sector, which I just posted recently on this video. You can see the link in the description of this channel, as well as I will put a card to the video right here, right now, so you can access it. As you can see here on this channel, on Momentum channel, we post various videos about stock market investing, finances, and financial freedom, and we try to walk the talk based on our extensive research that we do. We try to, take those advices based on what we believe are some of those undervalued stocks, and then gradually build a position in those, and gradually over time make those positions a larger position. We never try to jump right off the bat and put a large amount of money. One of the things I actually like about Interactive Brokers Canada is the fact that it allows investors to take advantage of the fractional buying of shares. So this is one of the unique features that unfortunately not many brokerage accounts in Canada have. So we're trying to take advantage of that and add gradually to our shares of quality companies. And I do believe all of the companies that are in this portfolio here that I just talked about in the video today are among those quality companies that long term I'm trying to build a stronger position and larger position. So I do see in the month of December continuing to add to my portfolio, fund my accounts, and gradually build the larger positions. But my focus is really trying to invest the money into the stocks in this portfolio that are showing a negative return. So the ones that are showing negative, I try to add more to those, so that I try to take advantage of the dollar cost averaging, and over time take advantage of that, because I have a strong conviction that all of these companies are going to be winners long term, and so I'm not worried about their temporary declines, or the fact that they're probably showing right now a negative return, some of those that we just talked about in this video. Let me know if you have any of these stocks in your own portfolio. What do you think of my portfolio, the stocks that I discussed here, and what are your thought process in terms of other stocks that you are going to invest in the stock market in this month? Please let me know in the comment section down below, and I would be sure to read through each and every one of them and provide a response to you at the same time. I hope you found this video beneficial and gave you some ideas in terms of what stocks you could consider to add to your watch list, or potentially do your research and buy if that's something that you would like to do so. Of course, please do your own due diligence and research before buying any of the stocks that we talk about in this video, or any other videos here on Momentum channel, or for that matter, any other video here on YouTube. Lastly, please be sure to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly various videos about stock market investing, finances, and financial freedom. Hope to see you next time.